global crypto market has grown by leaps and bounds, from just $18.5 billion in February of 2017 to $1.97 trillion on February of 2022. At the moment, there are around 17,500 cryptocurrencies and more than 450 crypto exchanges globally. The gains of the market have also accelerated over the past 2 years, and the momentum is likely to continue with the advent of new technology and innovation like Web 3.0, the metaverse, and NFTs. In October last year, ProShares Bitcoin Strategy became the first ever crypto ETF to debut in the US stock market, after a nod from the US Securities and Exchange Commission. And not long after, more ETFs followed. ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, are one of the easiest ways to get exposure to diverse crypto assets, and they're relatively safer than direct investment due to the market's high volatility. So let's narrow in on the top 3 crypto ETFs based on their AUM, or asset under management. Number 1, of course, is ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF, the original. ProShares, or BITO, the first crypto ETF in the US, manages the front-month CME Bitcoin futures portfolio. Founded in October of 2021, the open-ended fund has an average daily trading volume of $197 million, while the asset under management sits at $1.16 billion. BITO does not invest directly in Bitcoin, but in Bitcoin futures on the CME Commodity Exchange. Its expense ratio is 0.95%, and the top 10 holdings include the US dollar, futures, and US Treasury bills as well. Number 2 on our list is Valkyrie Bitcoin Strategy ETF. The Valkyrie Bitcoin ETF was launched in October as well, and it's an open-ended fund like BITO and has approximately $43.17 million in assets under management. The BTF portfolio includes Chicago Mercantile Exchange Bitcoin futures, corporate bonds, cash treasuries as well, and it does not directly invest in Bitcoin as well, and it doesn't track any index. BTF's expense ratio is 0.95, and its daily average trading volume is $12.98 million. The ETF's top 10 holdings include mutual funds and treasury bills. And number 3 on our list is Vanek Bitcoin Strategy ETF. Like the other two, BTF doesn't invest directly in cryptocurrency. It invests in front-month Bitcoin future contracts. Launched on the 15th of November in 2021, this open-ended fund has $28.34 million worth of assets under management. Its average daily trading volume is at $1.41 million, and BTF has a lower expense ratio than the other two at 0.65%. The expense ratio is critical because higher expenses may lead to less profit. And this ETF's top 10 holdings include the US dollar and treasury bills. And that concludes our list. Now that you're up to speed, check out some of our other news to stay up to date. I'm Holly Shields for kalkinemedia.